Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. Today we have on the bench the Fluke 87-3. That's the Fluke model number 87-3. This meter hit the market in 1998. And since this meter hit the market, the 87 series, it's been a force to be reckoned with. I not only have the Fluke 87-3, I have several other models of Fluke testers in my my tools, among my tools. But the 87 series, I have this one, and I also have the 87-5. Both meters are forces to be reckoned with. They are industry standards. This meter has yet to die. In fact, I don't think, as long as I take care of it and remove the batteries and, when I'm storing it, I think this meter will last almost forever. I haven't had any problems with this meter since I had it. Everything works on it. Is accurate, and it's a nice meter. It's a very nice meter, and so this meter for its age. Now the test probes and leads on the side, or the original test probe and leads that came with it. They're not how would I would say this? It's made out of that PVC, that stiff PVC that's Fluke known for. With some of the meters, no matter what the cost of the meter, they still wind up giving you test leads that they're not cheap, but it's not the best as far as flexibility is concerned. But they are safe test leads, and I would use them. But I prefer to change them out. I just have them here because those are the original test leads and probes that came with the meter. Now, this multimeter here is packed with a lot of functions. It's a really nice meter. So we're gonna go over a few, and then we'll talk afterwards. Okay, so let me get the camera closer. Okay, let me put it down so I'm going to look at it from the bottom. We'll work our way up from the top. Okay, let's start right here. Okay, you can select from AC voltage, DC voltage, DC millivolts, continuity, resistance, and capacitance. Diode would be the next one, milliamps, AC, DC, amperage, AC, DC, and the last one will be microamps, AC, DC. Now, those of you don't know, you have to get to the blue selections right here for the capacitance and the microamps, AC or DC, with the selection button right here, the soft key at the top. So you can do that, and also the soft keys. You have the min-max feature, like on most Fluke multimeters. There we go. No, it's recording. Did I say min-max? Hold on a second. There we go. Min-max recording, and you just go through all of them. Average. The next one will be range button. That's wherever you want to put the decimal. You have a whole button right there. You have a continuity button, a rail button, as well as a hertz button here if you want to measure your hertz. Okay. The backlight is like this, about the same amount of brightness you would get on the Fluke 87.5. No, the 87.5 may be a little bit brighter, but these are white LED lights. The numeric font is really nice on this multimeter. The same size screen and all. There's nothing really changed except between this meter here, which is the 87.3 and the 87.5, except maybe a few features on it, like low Z on the other one. You get a little brighter backlight than this one. And you get several other features that this one may not have, like temperature. You get it on the Fluke 87.5. Now, as far as the test leads that come with the 87.5, is better than the ones that you get right here. Let me just scroll out some. It's better than the ones that you get that came with this meter. But nonetheless, you can use these test leads right here. the meter itself, this meter here is still usable, and I would not have any trouble pulling it out and using it. Something else I want to say about it is, like I say, nothing else has changed. Fluke has, I'm sure they use the same mold that they used to make the 85, and just added more features eternally on the circuit board, and squeezed it in here some kind of way. When they had to place the little logos on the front. Now this multimeter, let me see if there's something else I want to tell you guys about it. It takes a 9-volt battery. A 9-volt battery, and well, as you know, it's been discontinued. And this is another multimeter that if you were to find one on eBay and the price is right and is in good quality, I wouldn't hesitate to get it. Now, all this I'm saying about this meter, these kind of videos here, when I'm doing, I know some of the younger generation may or may not be able to get with this. Those of you who've been around like myself a long time and could appreciate old, and know about this kind of stuff, may have used it, or you had one before and you know the value of this kind of meter here, or bring back, in some kind of way bring back memories. So that's why I put this kind of stuff on my channel, for those who can appreciate it. And some of my past videos, I received some very bad comments. And I'm gonna ask you again, guys. This channel is not for those who wants to verbally insult, insult me through their words, or insult the video through their words. I'm not in. If you don't like what I'm putting out, you don't have to watch my channel. My channel is for those who can appreciate nice things of the past and future, as far as test instruments is concerned, as well as test tools that for all the tools that we use as electricians. So with that being said, if you can't say nothing good, don't say nothing at all. And this is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm not trying to teach you how to use a multimeter, and there's enough of those videos on YouTube. I'm trying to notch out my own niche with the kind of videos and what I want to do with my own channel. So for those of you who don't have nothing good to say, you don't have to watch my video. You won't hurt my feelings. But those of you who do appreciate my videos and have been around for a while, man, I appreciate you to the utmost. I'm not asking you for none of your money. I just want to share my collection with you guys and hope that you're entertained as I am and having the pleasure of having these test instruments. So, don't want to hold you long. Let me see if I made everything. Oh, and let me just mention one more thing. This, as far as the rubber boot, it's the same as the one. No, it's a little bit different. No, it's just a little bit different than the one on the Fluke 87.5 up to date. This one have to have the same probe holders. When they're not in use, you can just snap them to the back. And this one have a stand that's on the back that is kind of flexible. Whereas I think if you were to have it sitting on the back of a door, you could kind of bend that the stand, whereas it'll fit like almost like a C, and it'll hold a meter on a door. Do I like that feature? I guess I would have back then if when I had a meter like this, but no, I prefer the Cadora strap, magnetic strap with the magnet. That's what I prefer if I had to choose between the two. But anyway, this was then, and the 87 is what we have now. So guys, I want to tell you, thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for allowing me to take up a little bit of your time. I hope you enjoyed the channel. I hope you were entertained. And you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video with someone you may think could benefit from this. Either way, I want to just tell you thank you. And until next time, I hope you guys meet me here when I upload another video. And until then, you guys take care. Later.